Get to know the Decentis Flush range. Decentis Flush incorporates Omnio Media Networking architecture. This helps you to make installations cost-effective by using existing IP infrastructure and power over Ethernet. In addition, the system integrates perfectly with other Decentis tabletop devices and the ISO 20109 compliant Decentis Interpreter Desk. Open standard security ensures the best protection against eavesdropping, unauthorized access, and data tampering. The server-based architecture of Decentis makes integration with third-party applications and future cloud-based services easier, and it also offers a remote desktop for maintenance or interpretation purposes. Decentis, the conference system that grows with your needs.